apply some of this white. Not apply it like that. Well, in our last video on polishing pontoons, if you watched to the very end, you may have noticed that I said there was a far better way that I had found. It's taken me a while to get around to making a video on it, but we're here today to show you that far better way. So I've prepared a little section of this pontoon, taped off, and treated these two sections exactly the same. That being some sort of aluminum cleaner, restorer type stuff like this, which I've recently come to find out, this doesn't have any anti-corrosive or anything like that. It is basically sulfuric acid. So proper rinsing is imperative as ever, regardless of what you're using, whether it's a sulfuric acid solution, a muriatic acid solution, whatever you're using to clean your pontoons, make sure you rinse it off so it doesn't eat into the aluminum further. We then scuff with a Scotch-Brite pad. So after you've cleaned it and then rinsed it properly, you let it dry, and then two very different techniques. The 3M aluminum cleaner restore polish along with the wool pad that we used before, or the new way that I found is using these. These are a Zephyr airway pad with jeweler's rouge. So I've got yellow and white pads. So let's get started and get this polished. So after using the 3M polish, you need to clean off the remnants with some denatured alcohol. As you can see, it does have a much nicer shine than this does. I can see my reflection over here, and I can't see any reflection at all in here. It's just dull aluminum. So this is a huge improvement, but we can do better. Now that we've got this set up, what we want to do is note which direction it turns. So it's spinning this way. So we're going to take our pad, or take our bar, just run it on there a little bit so that it coats this end. It's already pretty obvious the difference in these. So we're going to switch to our white airway pad. Let's apply some of our white jeweler's rouge to this. Now, look at the difference in the two. This one, you can definitely see a reflection, and it looks far better than not cleaned at all. But then look at this one. And of course, the more that you do, the better it'll turn out. And the kit comes with 3 steps of buffing wheels. So you'll end up with an even better result. Maybe this is a little more time consuming. I'm not sure 100%, but it sure ends up with a nicer end result. Just look at the shine where you really hit. It is quite a dramatic difference than the shine from over here. And of course you could always go through sanding, do some sandpaper and stuff to take out all of this damage from dock rash, stuff like that. That would improve the look dramatically. But this is, I would say, the best way to polish your pontoons. So with winter approaching, this is something maybe you should think about. If you're going to pull your boat out of the water, maybe this is something you want to do so that it's ready for this coming summer. Thanks for watching.